A will is considered as a legal document or a testament in a written form that entails a set of wishes in regards with several aspects like distribution of assets or finances after a person's death. After a person's demise, a will gives clarity to settle legal conundrums. The person writing the testament is known as the testator, who decides the transfer of his assets or wealth to the descendants or anyone else as he deems fit. The person who carries out the proceeding according to the will is known as an executor. It should also be noted that executing a will propounds surety and security of the property, movable or immovable, and that it lands to the rightful legal heirs, especially if they are minors. In India, a will might be recognized as a legal document, but it is not necessary to articulate it under legal notes or instruments like stamp paper. Instead, a will can also be made on a plain paper. Now, there are four steps which are easy enough, and anyone can create or register a will. Firstly, the final draft should be ready in accordance with the testator's wish. This can also be done by a lawyer or someone else, but under the testator's direction if he himself is unable to make one. Some factors like personal details of testator and beneficiaries, details about assets, and a minimum of two witnesses should be present in the will. Apart from this, the final draft should also mention that the will is carried from the testator's free will and that there is no undue influence like force or coercion. Secondly, the testator and witnesses, which can be two or more, should visit the office of the sub registrar and pay the required government fee. Thirdly, necessary signatures should be made in front of the sub registrar, and after a week, the registration will be completed. If the testator is unable to affix the signature, then a thumbprint can also be taken. Now, fourthly, and the last step, after a week, the registered will is kept under the custody of the registrar so that it cannot be tampered, destroyed, or mutilated, and another copy cannot be made. It should also be noted that although Section 18 of the Registration Act permits that it is not mandatory for the will to be registered, but registering a will can be advantageous to the extent that it cannot be tampered with. This is because it requires the express permission of the testator to execute it. Also, only the testator can access it freely. There is another important document known as a probate. Now, a probate is a replica of a will certified by the court, which gives conclusive evidence that the will is authentic. On the demise of the testator, the executor can apply for probate. The court will question other heirs of the deceased if they have any objections. If there are no objections, then the court will grant probate. It might take 6 months or a year for the court to give it, and the executor cannot establish any right unless the court has granted a probate. Hence, a probate is an important document and can only be granted to the executor. Thank you.